Yeah, Julie and I are pretty...
Oh, we got approved!
Are you serious?
We got it! Hey there, and welcome over here today to this day in the life. I'm really excited to be sharing this one with you today, just because I'm going to be bringing you guys to the park with us, and then we're going to do a few other fun things. A little update on the house. I know a few of you might know that we're kind of in between homes right now. We're looking at a home in Utah. We're hoping we are going to get it today, actually, so we keep checking our email to see if we got approved for it. So we're crossing our fingers, and hopefully we will let you know today. But we are actually at the park right now. We have Will and Brindley. Are you ready to go to the park, honey?
Want to go on a walk?
She has so much energy and she's ready to get out of this car and go. So let's go spend the day with us and let's go have some fun. A little fun fact about this park is I used to take the kids I nannied all the time. Also, if you didn't know, I used to nanny a bunch of kids, but I used to take them here to this park and we used to play, and it was so much fun. So it's kind of now fun and unique that I get to bring Brindley, my daughter, and here it is. Okay, so this is the first part of the park. This is like the splash pad park, so this is for the summertime. This turns on. This park's nice because it's handicap friendly too, so anybody could play here, so that's really nice.
Oh wait, it's a 2. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Going right, I'll go left.
Be careful, Brindley, sit down. Whoa, oh my gosh.
Julia says there's something super fun for her over here, so we're gonna check it out. Hey guys, I just want to hop on here really quickly and say how awesome it has been being able to spend so much time with my family and see Brindley develop and just grow so fast, and it's just been so awesome to be able to spend all this time with her.
I don't know who's having more fun at the park, Will or Brindley. Let's see, what do you guys do?
She's been working on this.
He's trying to get her to jump off of things. I don't know why. I think it's a father thing. You can jump? Oh, good job. Was that silly? We just finished up at the park. It was a ton of fun. We had a blast. Brindley loved it. I think Will had even more fun because Will's like an adult child at heart. I can't blame him, but anyways, we had a ton of fun. Now we are leaving and we're probably, there they are. Anyways, we're probably gonna go to a store to get a couple Christmas gifts. I haven't gotten any gifts for my mom, my sister, my dad, my brother, or his fiance. I guess I haven't gotten anybody gifts yet, and Will hasn't gotten gifts for anybody on his side of the family yet, right?
I have not.
You want mama? Anyways, we're gonna go head to the store. We're gonna bring you along with us. We're gonna see what we could find. We're hoping we could find a few things also. I love looking for new kitchen items, so I think we'll look for new kitchen items too, but let's go. Here we are. It is about 30 minutes later. We did end up going to the store, but it was kind of like an epic fail. We haven't been to the store in a really long time to go get like shopping stuff, so we went to Marshall's. Anyways, we went there to get a few things for my family. I only found one thing for my sister. It was one pot. This is what Brindley's doing. Anyways, we found the one pot. We went to go buy it, and the line was like so long to buy it, so we ended up just not getting it, and then we went to Bahama Bucks and that's where we are now. We just got this drink there, and Brinley is pretty much drinking the entire thing.
I'm just trying to get a drink, but story of my life. She won't share any with me. Oh. So, yeah, Julie and I are pretty...
Oh, we got approved!
Are you serious?
We got approved for the house! Oh my gosh!
I was just about to talk about it. What'd they say?
We got approved! I just opened my email. Oh my gosh!
Guys, this is live.
We have approved you for the property at blank blank.
Woo!
Oh no, she's making a mess.
That's all right. Oh,
We got
she's making a huge mess.
I'm like freaking out. Oh my gosh. We will start the paperwork tomorrow for the unit. I would like to state that you have been approved for the property sight unseen. While we were at the smoothie place, Bahama Bucks eating, Brinley kind of went wild, and so we just headed home because she was crying and fussy because she is tired. Anyways, to recap on everything that happened, we got approved for the house, which is so exciting.
Awesome.
If you are new here, we are actually living with my parents. We used to live in the middle of nowhere in Utah, like the actual middle of nowhere.
Yeah,
right?
the West Desert.
Yeah.
Couldn't find us if you're looking for us.
Yeah, literally, like, we were in the middle of nowhere. So that didn't work out for our family, so we moved in with, well, we found the perfect house in Utah, and then we got, like, approved of that house and all that stuff, and then the lady ended up giving the house to her family friend. So then we were freaking out for a while, so we ended up moving back with my parents. So that's what we're doing now. We're living with my parents, and we've been living here for a couple months, and it's been the best thing ever. We absolutely love it, but of course we need our own home because we are our own family. So we just got approved for the home, which is just like crazy to us. I just didn't think we'd be approved for it just because, I don't know
Yeah,
why.
it's just so aggressively competitive up there. Houses just appear, the good ones, and they disappear the same day. So
yeah, like the renting market and the buying market in Utah, that's where this new house is. It's in Utah, but renting, buying market there, it's like if you have a nice house, it's gone. Like all the nice homes are gone so quickly. But anyways, it's really exciting. But one thing that's kind of like freaky and stressful about this home is that it's
sight unseen.
Sight unseen. So we've seen some pictures of it, about 10 to 15 pictures total of the house. They're pretty good pictures, but then again, it's like...
It's an incomplete picture of what the house really is.
It's so hard because we see what the house looks like on the outside, but we don't know what the floor plan is. We've never seen it. We know the area that it's in, and we like the area, but we've never seen it. So we're kind of just going off of faith and hope that it is going to be okay, because now we have to send in a deposit in a couple days to secure it, and the deposit's kind of expensive, so we're just crossing our fingers that the house is exactly how it looks in the pictures, or else
We're gonna be going up to Utah here in a couple days, so we can't actually go check out the house because somebody's living in it till January.
Yeah, it's currently occupied by different renters. So I just want to see what it looks like on the inside.
But that's good news that we got approved. It's just so competitive, so that we have a house lined out. The pictures are really good. The neighborhood's great. So everything should be good.
Yeah, so like Will said, we're headed up to Utah in a couple days for my brother's wedding. He is getting married, but I've said this before, it is a very small wedding. I think only like 10 people are allowed in. It's very, very, very small just due to everything that's going on right now. So we're headed up to Utah to go to that. And while we're there, I think we're going to look at the outside of the home. I was so nervous about this house. I personally just didn't think we'd get it. I was just so nervous. But now that we have it, I'm like nervous in a different way. Like, is this meant to be, or is it not meant to be? Like, oh no, now we're approved. What do we do? That's my type of nerves now. But
yeah, so we have a lot of steps to do to make this all happen. But I'm just excited that we have a new house. that we could potentially be moving into in January and kicking off the new year.
That's where we are. I'm gonna go start making dinner right now, and I might give you a little sneak peek. Here is a little sneak peek of dinner. What I was talking about, we're having some French dip sandwiches. These have to go in the oven under the broiler still, but I actually made it in my Instant Pot. So I will have a video on this for Friday, and I've never made French dip sandwiches in the Instant Pot before. This is my first time. But I will let you know how it turns out. So far, this is smelling delicious. And that is a wrap of today's video.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, thank you so much for watching, and we will have another one of these day in the life videos out tomorrow. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. We will see you there. Bye for now.